Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the Boots TVC storyline. Basically, it tells us what's going to happen in our advertisements, which is going to run on TV. So let's get into the basics. The TVC is going to be 30 to 45 seconds long. It is going to have a slow but happy music, and how music changed. We are going to talk about that also. It will have 6 to 7 scenes, basically 6 to 7 people who are getting ready, and after they're ready they're just feeling good because they've used the Boots products. So let's see how it goes. So the first scene, we are going to take care of the details of the coloring of Boots as a brand. So it's blue and white. So in the first scene, the background is going to be blue and there's going to be a slow music going on. In the first scene, there's a lady who just got out of shower and she has like very frizzy hair, and she's just sad. She's not feeling good because she has frizzy hair and she just can't manage them. So she's sad. Then in scene 2, we are going to use this time the white background. So we are going to do it alternate. One is blue background and then white background, blue, white, blue, white. So this time when the background is white, the person is going to wear blue shirt. So it is going to be a contrast. And then this time the man is all bearded and he's just not feeling good because he's just feeling dirty, and that look of ugliness or just not feeling good look is because he's all bearded. In scene 3, we this time we are going to make background blue again, and the third person is going to be the lady who is wearing no makeup. She's just got up and she's just not wearing any makeup and she's not feeling really good. And then the music is going to continue the same slow music. She's feeling sad, she's feeling ugly, and she's not feeling really good. In scene 4, basically these all scenes are very short, but here it's going slow because I'm just explaining them. So this time the background is going to be white, and there's a boy who's looking very nerdy because all his hair are down and he's just not feeling so good. He's also sad. Basically, when I'm saying sad, it's just not they're very sad or crying or weeping, but they're sad means they're not feeling good. Just a So let's talk about scene 5. This is going to be our last scene. Basically, the last person shown. This time, the background is again going to be blue, and the person is going to wear white shirt. The music is same. This time, the person has like very oily skin, and he's not feeling good because he has very oily skin, and he's just not liking it. So the bad feeling is making him sad, and he's not feeling good because of that, and the music remains same. Now these all sad people will start using the product. So the first lady would start using the straightener, and we are going to show that the straightener is by Boots, and the bearded person is going to show use the shaver, and he's also showing which shaver he's using. And this lady without makeup is going to use the red lipstick to have a sudden glow on her face, and then this person is going to use the hair gel to make his hair look good. And then this last person is going to wash his face with the oil control face wash, and that is also going to be a Boot product. So in this scenes they are just using the product. Now comes how are they feeling after using the product. So the first lady who had frizzy hair will show that she is happy because she has all straight hair, and the music suddenly changes, not suddenly but slowly it changes to a happier music. Earlier it was slower, now it's happier, more lively, the music that makes somebody feel good. And then this person is going to use shaver, and he's trimmed all his beard, and now he's happy because of that, and he's also feeling fresh and happy and just clean and better than before. And this third lady She's also put the lipstick, and she's suddenly her look is changed, and she's just happier, more younger, and more lively in her appearance, and then she's feeling good. And she's smiling. All these people are smiling with the change in their uh, makeup. So this third person is also using the gel, and his hair is like looking very spiky and cool, and he's just feeling so good because he's used that product and he's feeling good. And then this last person who had oily face and who had washed is also feeling clean, fresh, and good because his face is oil free. And in the this was the five people, and in the end we are going to show the Boots products. Basically all the products at once, which would include soap, shampoo, straightener, shaving foam, shavers, and all other products that are used in this advertisement, and some which are not even used in the advertisement but available at the booths. And this is going to run for 3 seconds so the person gets the feel of it. In the end we'll show feel